It's time to wake up. Bitcoin is either about to make you all of your money or lose all of your money with the largest test of the year. If you're new here, welcome in. My name is Steve. On this channel, we do it different. We talk about just the facts. Hit that subscribe button. You're going to love it here. Today's video, we're jumping straight into it. We're on the weekly chart. We have major breaking developments happening right here in price action. And then in the middle of the screen, we have even more information coming in on the RSI. And down at the bottom with the stochastic RSI, huge developments, major signs. And on this chart, there's even more to cover. We've got this price target right here and this price target right here, which are major levels, all coinciding with 2020, 2021, and 2022, as well as present day 2023. We have a lot to cover. Let's start right here with price action. Price action on the weekly, what we have is this red line. This red line is the 200-week moving average, the most critical level in all of Bitcoin. That is not up for debate. It's just a pure cold hard fact. You can see the 2015 bear market held support on the 200-week moving average. The 2018 bear market held support on the 200-week moving average. Even the COVID crash held support on the 200-week moving average. Now here we are. We've been resistance since June 2022. And just hot off the press, we printed our first candle in a long time as support. Now we did battle for a moment here as support, but that was very short-lived. We are trying to gain our momentum with the largest test of the year, showing good signs early, but it's not over yet because one of the major tests is coming in this chart that we're going to cover in a second. But back to this chart, we printed a candle on top of the 200-week moving average. Major sign. We cannot deny that. It came off of one of the biggest moves in the crypto space. We had this double top in the middle of your screen here. Draw your attention here to the RSI. We had this double top in the RSI on the weekly, and our double top plummeted price. When our prices plummeted, we actually double bottomed in the RSI. At the same time that we double bottomed, we printed this beautiful candle here. Do you see this candle? That's a dragonfly doji. This is a trend reversal candle, meaning that this downtrend right here was reversed and it was about to head to the upside. We talked about it right here on our channel. This dragonfly doji along with the double bottom proved to be stronger than the double top. The double bottom came with this candle and prices went up. We actually printed a bullish engulfing candle as well, and then followed by our first candle ever to close on top of here in quite a while. At the same time, we draw our attention to the bottom of the screen. We have a lot happening at the bottom of our screen. On the weekly chart, we look at our stochastic RSI for momentum. Where is our momentum heading? We are above the 80 level, which is good. And the blue line is on top, which is even better. Blue line on top, momentum is going up. We have a lot of momentum behind us. We have this reversal candle. We have our bullish engulfing candle, first candle to print on top of the 200-week moving average. It's all looking good. But then we get to our test because we understand price action is looking good. We understand the RSI is looking good. We understand the stochastic RSI is looking good. But let's get to our test. We've got to cover 2020, 2021, 2022, created this beautiful market structure holding at 28,566, holding support for all of those years at this particular level. And when you break it, it turns into resistance. It's very simple. Bitcoin's first test of the year was this 25.3K. We passed our first test of the year. Bitcoin passed it. This was our breakthrough candle. This was our confirmation candle here. And then we confirmed again. But however, we have been coming up to test our largest test of the year, which is this 28.5K area. And with the largest test of the year, we've had these wicks. Wick number 1, wick number 2, wick number 3, and wick number 4. Do you see a pattern happening with these wicks? Do you see what's happening with these wicks and this biggest test of the year? Simply put, when you've got these selling wicks on top, it's not good. Now, we did have a large candle here followed by a small candle heading into our first test, but this large candle held into our biggest test. This was a very strong candle with a short wick. This showed good momentum heading into our largest test of the year. We followed it up the next week with an indecision candle, large body. There's a wick to the downside, a wick to the upside. We did a similar candle in the next week But again, if you've got these large wicks heading into our largest test of the year, we're not showing strength, we're showing weakness. People are taking profits here. So when you have the largest test of the year with what we see happening on price action, right? Price action is looking good, RSI is looking good, stochastic RSI is looking good, but we cannot deny that 28.5K is the largest test that Bitcoin is going to make this entire calendar year. This will make or break your portfolio. This is where you're going to lose all of your money or make all of your money. Now, once Bitcoin gets above this 28.5K and holds a body up here as support, that's when the market will make many different layers of confirmations, and it will be undeniable that we will be in a bull run. It will be undeniable once we get to this level, as well as the monthly closes. We have a lot of monthly closes coming in. But Bitcoin is battling this. We're showing weakness at the moment. We will keep you up to date with what's happening. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you right back here on the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs. Do you want less stress and more success in crypto? Click this video right now.